Brock and I are going to show you how we do venting. Venting is essentially just burping from the G2. So this is a bolus extension. We don't really use this for anything except for venting. Basically what you're going to do is just line up that line with the line on the Mickey. I know, we're almost done. Can you roll on your back for a minute, honey? So we're lining it up with the line on the Mickey, and then we're turning it to lock it so it stays in place. Then what we're going to do is hold this upright because we're burping him and there's a chance stomach contents could come out. So we're just going to unlock it and kind of move the lock because sometimes it's restrictive where the lock was. So for venting, essentially you're just going to put the tube down a little lower, or the extension rather, and it doesn't appear that he has any air because nothing's happening. Normally you'll hear like a bubbling or like a burping noise kind of. So we know that he is okay. There's no extra air in his belly. And that's venting.